Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing? In today's video, we are going to see the second part of our video. This is the most useful adverbs in English. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kureba igice cya kabiri cya video yacu turi kwiga ama adverbs. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba eventually, suddenly, weekly, monthly ndetse n'izindi zitandukanye. Suddenly mu buryo butunguranye cyane. Example, suddenly it started to rain. Suddenly it started to rain. Mu buryo butunguranye imvura yatangiye kugwa. The dog suddenly ran away. The dog suddenly ran away. Mu buryo butunguranye imbwa yahunze. Suddenly they came. Suddenly they came. Mu buryo butunguranye baje. Eventually amaherezo. Example, eventually he found a job. Eventually he found a job. Amaherezo yabonye akazi. She eventually understood the lesson. She eventually understood the lesson. Amaherezo yumvise isomo cyangwa se yasobanukiwe isomo. Actually mu by'ukuri cyangwa se rwose. Example, actually I like this song. Actually I like this song. Mu by'ukuri nkunda iyi ndirimbo. Actually she's my cousin. Actually she's my cousin. Rwose ni mubyara wanjye. Probably ni ijambo dukoresha tuvuga ko ikintu gishobora kuba cyabaho. She will probably come tomorrow. She will probably come tomorrow. Ashobora kuzaza ejo. Ntabwo tuba turishwa neza ko azaza, tuba turimo turateganya. It will probably rain. It will probably rain. Ishobora kugwa. Turimo turateganya yuko imvura ishobora kugwa. Proudly mu buryo utewe ishema. Mu buryo wumva utewe ishema. She worked proudly on stage. She worked proudly on stage. Yagiye ku rubyiniro atewe ishema. He proudly showed his certificate. He proudly showed his certificate. Yerekanye impamyabushobozi ye atewe ishema. Yari atewe ishema no kuyerekana. Usually akenshi. They usually eat rice. They usually eat rice. Akenshi barya umuceri. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Akenshi mbyuka saa 12 z'igitondo. Extremely cyane cyane bikabije. The food was extremely hot. The food was extremely hot. Ibiryo byari bishushe cyane bikabije. She is extremely tired. She is extremely tired. Arananiwe cyane bikabije. Quietly bucece cyangwa se buhoro cyane. She entered the room quietly. She entered the room quietly. Yinjiye mu cyumba bucece cyangwa se buhoro buhoro, bwombo. Yinjiye mu cyumba yububa. She spoke quietly. She spoke quietly. Yavuze atuje. Yavuze buhoro buhoro cyangwa se yavuze bucece. Loudly ni ijwi riranguruye. He speaks loudly. He speaks loudly. Avuga mu ijwi riranguruye. They speak loudly. They speak loudly. Bavuga mu buryo buranguruye. They sing loudly. They sing loudly. Baririmba mu buryo buranguruye. Honestly. Honestly. Mu by'ukuri. Honestly, I don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it. Mu by'ukuri simbikunda. Honestly, he told the truth. Honestly, he told the truth. Mu by'ukuri yavuze ukuri cyangwa se yavugishije ukuri. Constantly. Constantly. Buri gihe uhozaho. Udahagarika. She constantly studies every day. She constantly studies every day. Yiga buri munsi ahozaho. It rains constantly in April. It rains constantly in April. Imvura ihora igwa mu kwa kane. Imvura ihora igwa muri Mata. Weekly. Weekly. Buri cyumweru. Example, we meet weekly. We meet weekly. Duhura buri cyumweru. She goes to church weekly. She goes to church weekly. Ajya ku rusengero buri cyumweru. They pay me weekly. They pay me weekly. Banyishyura buri cyumweru. Monthly. Monthly. Buri kwezi. I pay rent monthly. I pay rent monthly. Nishyura ubukode bw'inzu buri kwezi. They visit us monthly. They visit us monthly. Badusura buri kwezi. I go home monthly. I go home monthly. Njya mu rugo buri kwezi. Annually. Annually. Buri mwaka. We celebrate that day annually. Twizihiza uriya munsi buri mwaka. The school make exams annually. The school make exam annually. Ishuri rikora ibizamini buri mwaka. Canada annually. I visit Canada annually. Buri mwaka nsura Canada cyangwa se nsura Canada buri mwaka. All the time. Igihe cyose. He talks all the time. Ahora avuga. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. Numva naniwe igihe cyose. Once in a while. Once in a while. Once in a while. Rimwe na rimwe. I visit my family once in a while. I visit my family once in a while. Once in a while. Nsura umuryango wanjye rimwe na rimwe. Nsura umuryango wanjye rimwe na rimwe. She cooks once in a while. She cooks once in a while. Ateka rimwe na rimwe. I watch TV once in a while. I watch TV once in a while. I watch TV once in a while. Ndeba televiziyo rimwe na rimwe. She visits her grandma once in a while. She visits her grandma once in a while. From time to time. From time to time. Rimwe na rimwe. Ijambo ni nka once in a while. Cyangwa se sometimes. We eat meat from time to time. Turya inyama rimwe na rimwe. Most of time. Most of the time. Most of the time. Akenshi. Iri jambo naryo ni nka usually, akenshi. I stay home most of the time. I stay home most of the time. Nguma mu rugo akenshi. He is quiet most of the time. He is quiet most of the time. Akenshi aba atuje cyangwa se aba acecetse. Extremely, cyane cyane bikabije. The test was extremely hard. The test was extremely hard. Ikizamini cyari gikomeye cyane. She is extremely smart. She is extremely smart. Ni umuhanga cyane.